Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastily Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the last pumpkin recipe of the month, I am making some pumpkin spice Madeleine cookies. You find this at Trader Joe's, Starbucks, and I'm going to show you exactly how you make them at home. So if you guys love pumpkin recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then work on your ingredients. So the first thing, here is my Madeleine pan. I got it from Amazon and I will link it in the description box below in case you are interested. And then I'm going to just spray each of the little pockets with this avocado spray because we do not want anything to stick. Okay, so that looks good. Next, I'm going to work on our wet ingredients. So here is my bowl. To that, I'm going to add in some butter and some sugar. And I'm using monk fruit sweetener sugar, which is just a 1-to-1 replacement of regular sugar to keep the calories a little bit low. And then I'm going to use my handheld mixer for this because I really want to make sure that the butter and sugar really cream up. All right, look at that, nice and fluffy. So that is what I want. And now I'm going to add in my 2 eggs that I have, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix this all again so that the egg is well mixed in. All right, that looks perfect. So now I'm going to add in my pumpkin puree. Perfect. Give that a good mix. All right, that looks perfect. So this is my wet ingredients, and now let's work on our dry ingredients. So I've got flour here. On the side is some baking soda and baking powder. And then I'm gonna add in my spices. So I've got pumpkin pie spice, of course. And then over here is cinnamon, salt, and a little bit of ginger. All right, just stir that all together. Okay, so that looks good. And now what I'm gonna do is in sections, I'm gonna add in my dry ingredients to my wet. So maybe like that much at first. Give it a good mix, not too much. That is good. We don't want to overmix this part. I'm going to add a little bit more. Do the same thing. Good. And now the last bit. All right, that looks perfect. So now we are done with our batter. So I'm gonna move this to the side. Here is my Madeleine pan. And I'm just gonna add like this much to the middle, and it'll fluff up as it cooks. All right, so now you're just gonna pop this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until it's nice golden brown, and then I will show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, so the Madeleine are out of the oven. Right away, I flip it onto my cooling rack, and some of them I must have not oiled it, so it got a little bit stuck on the pan, but most of them are good. So the finishing touch, which is totally optional, is to take a little bit of powdered sugar and just tap it on. Gives it a nice, pretty look, and you are all set. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna take one of these ones that got stuck as my taste test. Oh, okay, look at the inside. It's nice and fluffy, exactly like what a Madeleine should be like. Wow. That is so incredibly soft and buttery. And you can't even tell that I used monk fruit sweetener because the sugar is exactly as it would if you used regular sugar. So this is perfect. It's a great, great way to incorporate your pumpkin this year into a recipe. If you guys love pumpkin recipes and easy desserts like this, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Oh, that's so good.